Hmm.
Okay, now it's gonna go.
Yeah. Yeah, message आया.
Okay.
किस पे
Meeting
आ
is
रहा
now
है
streamed in
फेसबुक?
live on
आपके जो
Facebook
मेन
लिखा
पेज
होगा.
है?
I can see we are live.
Yeah, we are live.
We're live, and we are.
No, we are not. It's not coming on my Facebook.
No, it's coming on Veena Sareen Lamba on
आ
that
गया, आ गया, आ गया.
मेरे
Facebook
timeline
group.
में आ रहा है ना, मेरे it's in my timeline. So it's coming there because there was some problem with the other one. So this coming, it's okay. This is fine. This is the way we were doing it before. But anyway, let me tell the audience 1 second that we are going on my timeline. मैं बताती हूँ सबको. Okay. Okay, thank you for being so patient and waiting. We know we are actually live on my timeline today. Little change because there was some little problem on getting on my account. Can't log this. Who's this? Kamlesh ji. Kamlesh ji, try my timeline. Okay. She's the first one said. Yes, okay. So please try, I'm gonna go live over here too. Just tell them that, sorry about that. I'm sorry. After such a long time,
Yeah, perfectly fine. Perfectly fine.
मैं क्या करूँ these things.
कुछ नहीं होता.
It's loading. Anyway, are you okay, Kamlesh ji? So I'm trying to leave a message over here that, we are going live on my timeline today because there was a little issue with the joining Dil Diyan Galla's site. So we have with us to this morning, after a very long time on my program, Gautam ji from India and Rimple. So they're both
Hello.
my friends. I met them in India when we were there, and we had a very good time. And we just did a podcast, I think, about a week or two ago on Instagram, on their Instagram.
Yes.
I try to share on my program. So
Yeah.
anyway, so what I want to say is that we're going to have a good session today. I'm sorry for the problem in starting. Sometimes it gives trouble. I guess it's technical. I have to check it tonight what this happened. Normally it doesn't happen. It hasn't happened for a long time. It used to happen a lot before when they switched. Facebook did a lot of switching around. So maybe they did something now again. I have to try to find out. But anyway, there's going to be a question answer session as well. But first of all, I would like to introduce Gautam ji is right here. And, what can I say about him? He does all kind of tarot card reading and psychic tarot. And also he's written a book and he has all these cards that he can just tell you about your future and psychic. And he can also do a lot of, actually we do have some live examples as well. We do have examples. And also, you can ask him any question today. That's one thing. And I'm going to ask him to tell us all a little bit more about himself, which he can do much better than I can. I didn't do a very good job, but I know him. I know him as a friend now. So I know him as a Gautam ji. But he has a lot more than that. There's a lot more to the name than that. So that he's going to explain to us a little bit. So Gautam ji, welcome to a little late and delayed
Thank
program.
you. No, perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. Thank you once again for inviting us to your program. It's always a pleasure
Yeah.
attending this program actually or participating in it.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, what do I do? See, my name is Gautam Sethi. I've got an honorary doctorate as well, and I have written a book on tarot. And and what is tarot and psychic tarot? You're asking. So,
Yes.
tarot is like we connect. How does tarot work actually? What is tarot? Rimple will tell better. But how does tarot connect? It connects with the energies actually. It's a matter of all energies.
Energies. Yes.
Everybody, we all are attracted towards energies. जिसको हम बोलते हैं vibes भी बोलते हैं. We attract vibes. We attract. हमारे को लगता है कि उसके vibes बहुत अच्छी है, उसकी energy अच्छा लगा. Sometimes we meet somebody and we really like that person, even if we don't know that person. And sometimes even knowing that person, and sometimes we come across people that we actually absolutely don't like, even though they haven't done anything. But those energies, when ask the cards. So tarot is, their cards. So when you ask the cards, what is the question? Why are we attracting some negative problems in our life? So these cards connect with other energies, and they connect with the energies of the divine, of the universe, and they can convert. Well, it is miraculous actually. They convert the divine's universe messages through the cards. The healer can tell, the reader can tell, why are we attracting the negative energies, and what should be the remedies. How can we solve that problems as well. So these are just magical cards actually,
Magical cards.
and that's what I do.
I agree. These are magical cards, and देखो आपको भी कितने लोग आपका प्रोग्राम भी होते हैं. You have a lot of platforms right now which you have opened up. I think Friday nights in India.
Friday night.
Yeah.
So
We
other
do tarot nights. Friday ko tarot nights with Gautam I'm doing. Now we have started. I've started. We are
Me
quite
time.
quite humbled, and we'd like to just very happy also to announce that we have started Me Time Tarot School. So Me Time is that's my time. Me Time means everybody's time. It's your time. You should live your life. And tarot and school also I have started. So Me Time Tarot School, this program again I have launched online. I've got you can follow me on Facebook and YouTube as well, and also on Instagram. So on this, I think we are India's first people who are who have launched this online school where we teach tarot, and I give consultations also, and I'm started off with giving free readings to everybody who's following my channel now.
wow,
So
that's really
doing
great.
lot of work on this into this field.
No, that's really amazing, because I know that quite a few people, when I one couple of times I also went, and people do ask a lot of questions, like regarding their jobs, their marriages, about their children, about all kind of questions. You are so nice that you do answer them, like you are,
Thank you.
and you are really head on, I could say, because I've experienced something like that. We talk about
Yeah.
later. We'll talk about that later. But I want to ask Rimple here कि आप भी अपने बारे में थोड़ा बताओ. I know that you do all this crystal healing, and you also do tarot, and you also do a lot of amazing paintings, because you gave me a big, beautiful picture of Babaji.
Babaji.
all his
Yeah.
chakras, and even Gautamji gave me a very nice book about the tarot and all the cards as well,
Tarot.
which I have to ask him a little bit, explain करेंगे. कभी time मिलेगा तो मैं उनको call करूँगी, because he's a busy person and I don't want to disturb him, right?
No. But start using it. Start using the
Yes,
book.
I will.
It'll help you a lot.
It's very easy to use.
And same thing with the Rimple. She also gave me a book, and the drawing that she did was really good. It's in my living room right now, of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. It's very, very beautiful.
Thank
And
you.
also,
It's really a pleasure coming again. Thank you, Vinajit, for calling us.
welcome. तो आप बताएं, और भी तो बहुत करते हो. I know that you do a lot of other things. Paintings, and you have
Me,
exhibitions.
I'm into I'm
Exactly.
Rimple. I'm into crystal healing. I'm an author also, and I've learned tarot from Gautam ji, and he has taught me so nicely. It really transformed my life. And I'm do Reiki healing also, chakra healing. I do it, meditation, angel healings. I do, and basically paintings and all according to chakras. I do that. और what should I say कि tarot ने तो बहुत ज्यादा मेरी लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्म कर दी, because just a beautiful very modality, spiritual और intuitive tool है ये. और जैसे it's a deck of 78 cards. I just like to show you the cards. There's a beautiful cards of tarot. It's all designed by us. ये आप देख सकते हो cards. ये हमारे cards हैं Me Time के.
I just want to go.
And they have
These are custom made by you. Your designs.
yes. इट्स आवर कार्ड्स, हमने डिजाइन किया है ये कार्ड्स।
Wow.
और ये कार्ड्स में सब सिंबल्स हैं, मीनिंग्स हैं, यू कैन सी सिंबल्स दिए हुए हैं, सिंबल्स दिए हुए हैं, मीनिंग्स लिखे हुए हैं, तो वेरी इजी टू रीड, वेरी एक्यूरेट। बहुत, अब जब भी आप इससे आप करते हो तो आपकी जो रीडिंग है बहुत एक्यूरेट आती है। बेसिकली टैरो ने मुझे, आई शुड से, इट रियली एक्सप्लोर्ड माय थॉट्स, मेरी डीपर अंडरस्टैंडिंग बढ़ा दी। मैं इमोशंस, आई कैन से माय डिसीजन मेकिंग बहुत अच्छी हो गई है, माय इंट्यूशन हैज गॉन सो नाइस अप, आई शुड से। इन आई कैन साइकी इनसाइट्स बहुत अच्छी आती हैं। मतलब द मोर यू प्रैक्टिस टैरो, द
Right.
मोर बेटर यू गेट, आपकी इंट्यूशन बहुत अच्छी हो जाती हैं। एंड इट रियली ट्रांसफॉर्म यू, आपकी प्रॉपरली आप अलाइन हो जाते हो व्हाट यू थे। और जो भी डिसीजन मेकिंग करनी है, आपने कुछ भी पूछना है रिगार्डिंग योर हेल्थ, योर मनी, करियर, जॉब, आप आप प्रॉपर उनसे क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हो टैरो से। एंड इट्स वेरी इजी टू रीड, और आपको बहुत अच्छे से आंसर्स मिलते हैं, बिकॉज यू कनेक्ट विद योर टैरो कार्ड सो नाइसली, कि because they are energies and your energies get connected to tarot card energies, and उसके साथ आपके यूनिवर्स एनर्जीज कनेक्ट होते हैं, तो आपके आंसर्स बिल्कुल राइट आते हैं। दिस इज रियली बेनिफिटेड मी, जो टैरो कार्ड से। एंड
Really?
आई विल
थैंक यू
सजेस्ट
रजनी।
एवरीवन कि अगर आपको ट्रांसफॉर्म होना है, सो प्लीज डू लर्न टैरो, एंड इट विल
That's
रियली,
ये
देन
ये
यू विल
ये
सी द
मेरा भी
चेंज इन
विजन भी मेरा
योरसेल्फ।
यही है। दिस इज
that's
आल्सो वीना जी, आई एम सॉरी टू टेक इट ओवर,
no, no,
but
no.
this is my vision actually. I just want to make to 2025 as the year of transformation and the year of tarot. Just
Right,
follow
right.
tarot. आप मेरे से सीखो तो सबसे अच्छा है, मेरे से मत सीखो, learn it from anybody, but get into the field of tarot. It is very simple.
Mm-hmm.
It is extremely simple. It is
वेरी सिंपल।
very easy. It is very quick, and the best part, it is very accurate. It will tell you
That
each
is
and
right.
everything what you are going through. It will catch on your energy so fast. It's unbelievable. Actually, it's unbelievable. But they will catch on your these energies so fast. They'll tell you what problems are you facing. They'll tell you the remedies. They'll tell you what should you do to make your life. So if you want to get the if you want to get your life transformed, 25, which I really
Right.
love, I want people to get your life transformed. So there is so much of problems in everybody's lives.
Oh, yeah.
And we are getting, God has given us such a simple tool. Just with
Right.
simple
Very
tool, we should
simple.
make the best use of this tool.
And also, the good day-on-day life,
Right, Ripple?
everybody has
Yeah,
some
that's very true. I
guidance.
have to do daily guidance with it. मतलब daily I take out the guidance from the cards
Yeah.
and then I start my day. और अगर कुछ मुझे लगता है कि मुझे कोई स्पेशल ओकेजन है, कुछ बहुत मेजर डिसीजन लेनी है, तो
Uh-huh.
आई आस्क टैरो। और मैं बहुत बिलीव करती हूँ, बहुत ट्रस्ट है मुझे टैरो पे। अगर वो टैरो में नो आता है तो मैं वो नहीं करूंगी, और अगर यस है देन आई विल गो फॉर इट।
Wow.
नो,
That,
मेजर डिसीजन आई हैव टेकन फ्रॉम टैरोस, एंड
so you can ask
इट्स
anything,
रियली चेंज्ड माय लाइफ।
like anything, something is important happening, and if you want to have guidance, this is the way to do it. You know, this is
Yeah.
the way to do
Yes,
it.
yes.
You can.
You can ask anything and everything, which whatever comes to your mind. जो भी आपके माइंड में आ रहा है, anything that's come to your mind, you can ask anything and everything. It's so amazing.
So then, like you said, it's a clarity and emotional balance भी होता है ना इसमें. That also is there.
प्रॉपर क्लैरिटी यू गेट, आपको इमोशनल, आपकी बताइए, आप यू फील अलाइंड कि आपने जब क्वेश्चंस पूछे हैं, हर चीज इतनी एक्यूरेट आ रही है, और आप खुद भी बहुत चेंज होते रहते हैं, क्योंकि आपकी इंट्यूशन बहुत अच्छी हो जाती है। बेसिकली इंट्यूशन पे बहुत अच्छा वर्क करता है, बिकॉज
Simple है,
आप जब,
Veena ji. It's very, very simple. I'll put it in very, very simple words. When you get clarity in life, when you get clarity of thoughts, you get clarity in life, life becomes much more easier.
So
Because we have all the time, we have thoughts in our minds, और है ना, क्वेश्चन चलते रहते हैं माइंड में कि हम ये पूछें, क्या करें, क्या ना करें। लाइक रिपल सेड कि उनकी लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्म होगी। ट्रांसफॉर्म कैसे हुई है? कोई मैंने कुछ नहीं किया ना, शी वेंट इनटू दैट लाइन। जो क्वेश्चंस थे जिनके आंसर्स हम किसी के पास नहीं मिलते हैं, हम कई क्वेश्चंस ऐसे होते हैं, वी कैन नॉट ओपन अप विद एनीबडी एंड एवरीबडी, राइट? एंड वी
that's true.
नीड अ ट्रस्टेड फ्रेंड। सो टैरो इज अ ट्रस्टेड फ्रेंड, you can term it as that. आप कोई क्वेश्चन हो, एनीथिंग, लाइक वी वर डिस्कसिंग द अदर डे, आपने कौन सा कलर पहनना है, वो
yeah,
कौन सा
that's what
कलर आपको
yes.
सूट करता है, वहां से लेकर कौन सी आपने इन्वेस्टमेंट करनी चाहिए, कहाँ आपकी हेल्थ क्यों खराब हो रही है, फ्रॉम वेयर आर यू अट्रैक्टिंग दिस नेगेटिव एनर्जी, दैट कम्स अंडर, ऑफ कोर्स दैट्स द साइकिक पार्ट ऑफ इट, बट व्हेंस यू डू इनटू योर intuition starts increasing. You get into that psychic, जो आपकी abilities हैं, they also sharpened up. And when you get into that field, जब आप कुछ भी पूछते हो, immediately आपको tarot एकदम से सही answer बताता है. And that's what we are all looking for. We need answers into this life.
As if the
Kamleji
cards are talking
is
to you, they
welcoming us.
speak to you.
मतलब
Yes.
Matlab, it's like cards are speaking to you, they talk to you. The more you get connected with the cards, ऐसे लगेगा
They can,
cards
yes,
आपसे
yes,
बात
yes.
कर रहे हैं. And you just see the card and you get the
So
answer.
psychic में जैसे it is so, yes, once you get into that, field of tarot learning, once you learn tarot, like Ripple said, जैसे आप card देखते हो तो एकदम से you will start knowing the answers. The tarot starts speaking to you. These cards speak to you. It's just so amazing.
That is amazing. वही तो मैं कह रही हूँ, like
Kamleji is asking, I'm not feeling well for the last 15 days. When will it get better? मैंने Kamleji, I told Kamleji actually. Last time also Kamleji, I told you through my psychic abilities. I told you that you have a table in your house which you had changed the position. You need to, either don't keep it back. I told you. I don't think you have changed the position again. Please change its position. Don't keep it back. Keep it maybe outside the room, whichever room it was kept in for. So just keep it away from there. Because we attract negative energies from anywhere we can attract. It can be attracted from things in the house also, from the mobile, from the clothes that we buy, from the shoes that we buy. It could be from the people also, from the environment, of course we do. These things, Jada Kamlesh, I didn't move it. Just move it outside your room.
Okay.
Kamlesh, just move it outside your room. That whatever room that was, it was originally kept. Keep it outside your room. You'll be open. You'll be okay the next 2 to 3 days. After 3 days, yeah, you'll be better. You'll be much better off.
Wow,
So
that's
don't worry.
because she's been having not well for the last 2.5 weeks, basically. So
2.5 weeks. Okay, just 3 days.
3 days.
Okay, but have you? Kamlesh said I did. But have you taken that table off that out of that room? If she has taken off the room, then give 3 days to you. Okay, I did. Good. Just 3 more days, then you'll be better. You'll be much better, Kamlesh. Just tell me after 3 days, okay?
That's really good to know. And like I said, I just want to let everybody know that we had a
You
big
have shifted one more thing which you are not recollecting, Kamlesh.
yes. Anji?
Yeah, Viraj, please.
नहीं मैं ये कह रही थी कि that few days ago I had asked both
Please
of
go.
you.
You had a
event. We had an event, and before the event, like even the last time I asked, and this time again I asked, what should we do to make it better? Move up the ante. Like, what should we do?
yeah.
So उन्होंने कहा था कि try to wear some. This year is for red. Red का नया साल आया. This is a 2025, which combines
9.
out becomes 9. And I had said, my house number is 9, my birthday is 9.
Yes.
A lot of things
Oh,
are
excellent.
And the event is on the 9th. The first event was also on the 9th. So I said, 9th somehow it clicks. So I said, ठीक है, try to wear something red. So it just happened. I want to get something although I just came back from a trip, I got a lot of stuff, but I went to a store and I looked around. The first thing when I went in the store, I mean, this is a clothing store. This thing was this dress was hanging right there. And I said, my God, this is a perfect color, perfect size, सब कुछ ठीक है. मैंने पहन के देखा तो मुझे perfect fit आया. So then I bought that and I said, I'll wear that on that day. And that's what I did. And everybody
And you had a good event.
And we had a very good event. Like I said, with about 82 people. Food was very good.
Excellent.
Everything was very, very, very nicely done. And good entertainment. The program was appreciated by everybody. So really have to tell you, and of course I had a couple of other examples too. And
about the bracelet also, you wore the
yeah, then I
bracelet.
asked, I said, one time I said, let me ask her something. Is there anything else I can add to it? And she said, yes. Do you have a black bracelet? I said, I happen to do. I do have it. Then she said, try to wear it. And I said, it's a good idea. It's lying in my, my locker kind of a thing. And I didn't use it. I didn't wear it for 5-6 months. Let me wear it. So I'm still wearing it now. And I wore it on that day.
Okay, that was nice.
I don't know if you can see
Great.
it.
Yes, we can. Yes, that's nice.
Yeah, so I'm still wearing it, and that also must have brought me luck, I would say.
Yes, definitely,
These things do
definitely.
matter, Vinay. These things definitely they do
Yes.
matter because मतलब ऐसा नहीं है because when जैसे हम pray करते हैं, it could be any religion, right? In a religion, prayer is कितना emphasis दिया जाता है prayer पे.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
तो अब वो प्रेयर कैसे होती है? कोई सुन थोड़ी रहा है हमारे को. We just close our eyes and we just try to converse with the divine.
Yeah.
तो अब वो कैसे होता है? तो दिस इज एग्जैक्टली दैट वी कनेक्ट विद द यूनिवर्स, राइट? अब
Yes.
यूनिवर्स में आप उसको डिवाइन का कोई भी आप नाम देते हैं, बट आप जब आप प्रे करते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं तो आवाज जाती है ना वो.
Oh,
अब
yeah.
वो यूनिवर्स में आवाज जाती है. दैट प्रेज आर हर्ड. अब जब वो प्रेज व्हेन दे आर हर्ड, दे आर एब्सोल्युटली द डिवाइन, द यूनिवर्स गिव्स अस ब्लेसिंग्स आल्सो. तो ये चीजें हमारी जो बनी हुई हैं चारों जैसी चीज को, मतलब
Yeah,
इट्स
that is,
सच अ
that
ब्यूटीफुल
is
टूल.
the
मतलब
thing.
ये इस चीज से ना यू कैन मेक अ लाइफ इजियर.
And the thing is this, that to convince the people, to tell them to understand, that's a big job. वो ये भी तो है ना, लोगों को समझाना, लोगों को, which we do, you're doing a great job, but more people we should get it, they should, it's for their own good, I would say.
हाँ,
अगर
तो धीरे धीरे क्या
सीखेंगे
होता है, बिकॉज एक्चुअली क्या
them.
है कि देर आर वेरी स्मार्ट पीपल ऑल्सो इन दिस ट्रेड. So now
Mm.
actually though I will not like to comment much on them,
Oh,
but we all know that they are good people and they are very good people also. So it is always to be good, not very good. So it depends, तो वो चक्कर में ना, उसके चक्कर में तो लोग फंस जाते हैं. तो that's why I tell it is easy. You too can learn tarot. मैं तो कहता हूँ खुद ही आप टैरो सीखो. एक मेरी बुक खरीद लो, कार्ड्स ले लो, आप अपने घर बैठे. You don't have to depend on anybody. You don't have to ask anybody.
buddy.
Of course, we are here. I'm here to open
I,
up, to
I'm gonna start,
one-to-one consultation के लिए. You can ask me anything, of course, anytime.
I'm gonna ask
But
some
अगर if
questions
you want to
next
do
time.
tarot
Yeah,
on your own, you can learn tarot and do tarot for yourself.
yeah, there was a
So
one
day one only you can learn it. Day one you can start do the reading basically.
day one. Wow, that's
The
something.
day one you can start the reading.
So yes, absolutely. From day one, you can start doing your own readings. और कोई modality में इतना easy है नहीं. And I made tarot
It's
so
very
easy.
easy.
आप book लो, cards लो, ask the question, take out the cards, and the book will all, then spell the
The
answers
book is there.
to
This is
you.
the book.
It is
Yeah.
as simple as that.
No, no, मुझे दी,
So
I
this is
have
the
the
book.
book.
Thank you.
Yes, the cards also you gave me when we met the first time, and it was very, very nice in the hotel. It was about a month ago, maybe a few days more. I think 3rd or 4th of December.
Hmm.
Of the date it was, I think, Tuesday or Wednesday.
Yeah,
So it was really very. I was very happy.
Tuesday.
Tuesday. I was very happy to meet you guys. That was really. And then these are the things you gave me, and I was so impressed that the book
Nothing at
that
all.
I'm seeing, मैं उसमें देखती हूँ अब मेरे सामने आ गई है. Like book is me.
That's true.
So Krishna Kalraji, welcome, welcome. How are you? Good evening, everyone. Thank God. Nice to see you here. As I said to you before, you're gonna come here one time again. Not one time, many times, but I will call you one of these days, and you have to come. तो मैंने ये पूछना था कि what are the common sources or areas from which people attract negative energy?
Vinod, see, this is very tough to understand for a normal, for a layman actually. But once well, suppose like when I connect with the energies, so I can come to know from where we are attracting these energies, and these energies can be attracted, like we said, from the possessions that we have.
Right.
It could be whatever the material assets that we have. It could be from anything, any new dress, any old watches. मैं वहम नहीं करता कि घर में अगर पुरानी घड़ियां नहीं चल रही है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. सबके घर में होती है, उससे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती. मेरे हिसाब से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बट वी अट्रैक्ट नेगेटिव एनर्जीज फ्रॉम एन नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स. बट वो व्हेन यू स्टार्ट मेडिटेटिंग, वो आपको पता लग जाता है. आपको भी पता लग जाएगा. वंस यू स्टार्ट कनेक्टिंग और यू स्टार्ट मेडिटेटिंग, व्हेन यू गो टू द मेडिटेटिव स्टेट, यू विल नो कि कहां से आप अट्रैक्ट कर रहे हो नेगेटिव एनर्जी. इट कुड बी फ्रॉम द पीपल ऑल्सो. बट मेजरली अगर जो मेजर लाइफ प्रॉब्लम्स जो होती हैं, वो हम अट्रैक्ट करते हैं फ्रॉम आवर पास्ट लाइफ. जो पिछली लाइफ से हम अट्रैक्ट करते हैं इस लाइफ में, तब हमारे को जो मेजर प्रॉब्लम्स होती है, छोटी मोटी खांसी जुकाम, वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट. यस, जब बैठे बैठे एकदम से बिजनेस लॉस हो गया, एकदम से कोई बड़ी प्रॉब्लम आ गई घर में, कोई रिलेशनशिप इशू आ गया, वो कैसे होता है? वो अट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम द पास्ट लाइफ. वी हैव अट्रैक्टेड दीस प्रॉब्लम्स. And this again, same thing. And we have a remedy to it. We cannot eradicate, we cannot stop the rain. Barish ho rahi, it will rain. But yes, we find out ways to counter that, to safeguard ourselves. We can know if it's going to rain. You just have to carry an umbrella or a raincoat or something. Be indoors. So once you know that, we can, we have found out ways to counter that. So that's really amazing. उसी में बताओ आपको वैसा करे Ramabai Singh, Gautam ji, extensive knowledge of tarot cards. Thank you, Ramaji. Thank you so much. Why not inviting today? Okay, Krishna is saying why not inviting today. Krishna ji, she'll have another program with you, Krishna ji.
Yes, Krishna ji. Next time, अभी इस time this a particular हमने session काफी देर का किया हुआ था set. So we had to go according to some of the questions the people, because we want to clarify some points about psychic tarot. Because tarot and psychic tarot में क्या difference है? That which you already explained, but people don't know. So that's why we wanted to do this session to clarify to a lot of people, and that's why we did this thing. So next time आपको different किस्म के program में बनाएंगे. Maybe next Friday. Let you know. So you know what, and then also like we just shared a couple of examples. Like for example, last week I think it was Kamlesh ji asked some questions regarding the table thing. Right? She said there's something she's not feeling well, and you are like right on the spot. You said आपके कुछ कमरे में कुछ negative कुछ चीज है which wasn't there before, and then you could pinpoint.
She was asking. She's asking whether I will be able to walk. But Kamlesh ji, I'll tell you one thing. You need to take a proper session. Small don't help much. I've told you the main reason, but how to go about things, I would request you to take a one-to-one session with it. One-to-one session हम लेते नहीं है. Like I said, like Veena ji very rightly you said, people don't, they'll go to the doctor, but they'll not go to the healer. So we have a lot of work. We healers have to do a lot of work into this field to gain that confidence to, into people that, yes, there are, good healers. They really help. But I have done today, I'm not boasting, but I am humble to say that I have done more than 10,000 readings I have done.
Oh my God.
But 10,000 readings is not a small amount. Over the 4 to 5 years I have into this field. But I'm doing it extensively, and people are getting 100%. They're getting good results. 100%. तो ऐसा नहीं जब उनको मिल रहा आपको नहीं मिलेगा. 100% आपको मिलेगा.
देखो हमारे प्रोग्राम में किसने सुना? That girl I met her, that Jyotika Patel. So she must have heard, and she saw, and then right away she got in touch with you, right? She called me and she said, I want to get. And then she learned the whole thing. Yes,
a couple of people from New York we have clients from New York. We have clients from other parts of the world as well.
Yeah, from Canada also. From Canada also.
From Canada, we are getting from many places.
Yes.
I कैसे create करके बताते हैं?
I would suggest even Ramaji and Kamlesh ji, why don't you do one-on-one session? There might be some things that you won't even know that you want to ask. You don't feel that you know, but once you start talking one-on-one, a lot of things open up in your mind that you can ask.
They're very useful. They're very useful.
Yeah,
they
and also
one-to-one sessions.
You don't want to ask everybody in front of everybody, which you don't want to do. You can always ask one-on-one. That's going to be confidential between the two. So it's good to clarify some points or some things. Health के बारे में कुछ भी हो सकता है. Maybe it's something like you said. घर में चीज पड़ी हुई है, we don't even know. उसको रोज देखते हैं. You think, I want to get rid of it. नहीं होता. भूल जाते हैं. ये that might be the cause of a lot of things.
Yes, बिल्कुल. पता ही नहीं चलता. हमारे को पता नहीं है. जैसे मैंने एक रीडिंग करी थी, उनके ना कुछ कप्स टूटे हुए थे. And I told her कि आपके घर में कुछ कप टूटा हुआ है. अब वो ऐसा नहीं कि सबके घर में कप टूटा हुआ है तो सबके घर में प्रॉब्लम है. ऐसा नहीं होता. तो अब कहाँ से कौन सी चीज रिफ्लेक्ट कर रही है नेगेटिव एनर्जी आपकी लाइफ में? We have to pinpoint that. We have to find out that. अब उन्होंने कहा कि मेरे घर में तो कोई, मैंने कहा नहीं, आपके ड्रॉर में टूटे हुए हैं और एक नहीं 2 टूटे हुए हैं. And she took out, she had 3 to 4 cups which were broken, and 2 were really, मतलब वो बहुत ज्यादा टूटा हुआ था. एक का तो हैंडल नहीं था, एक का पूरा चिप्ड ऑफ था, which told her. अब वो पूछे क्या करे, तो मैंने कहा इन दोनों को बाहर फेंको, बाकी को कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. अब वो जो उनके घर में प्रॉब्लम थी उस टाइप पे, अगेन आई कांट एक्सप्लेन मच, बिकॉज वो जैसे जहां वो प्रॉब्लम हुई वो चीज हटाई, थिंग्स बिकेम बेटर. तो यू हैव टू हैव लिटिल फेथ ऑन ऑल दीज थिंग्स. जस्ट थोड़ा सा फेथ रखो, थिंग्स, मतलब लाइफ बिकम्स much easier. It becomes beautiful. That's why I'm saying get into tarot. तभी मैं बार-बार बोलूंगा, get into tarot. Make 2025 is a year of transformation for you. आप डॉक्टर को इतने पैसे दोगे, आप हेल्थ खराब करते हो, डॉक्टर्स को पैसे देते हो, आप हीलर्स के पास जाओ, थोड़ा सा फेथ रखो.
Today is what, the 15th? So the year just started, 15 days old.
It has just started.
15 days session and get some things clarified for the whole year. That'll be much beneficial. Instead of thinking your name, I don't know why people hesitate. when like you just said कि डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, इवन सारे मैंने देखा डॉक्टर के पास भी जाकर सारी चीजें फॉलो नहीं करते. Everybody doesn't
नहीं
follow
करते.
what doctor says. No, they don't. They still think they are right. Doctor is wrong. हम ठीक है, वो गलत है. No, like they think उसने बोला ये करो वो करो. Still they don't do it. Most people, a lot of people don't. They don't follow exactly. Person like me follows exactly. I follow what is
Good. You should follow. See, थोड़ा सा faith तो रखना जरूरी है. थोड़ा सा faith रखना जरूरी है.
Yes.
And life is meant to be enjoyed. Life is really meant to be enjoyed. Not to be, sad and to whine about things which are not working. Things which are not working, you get up and get on to the life, get on to life. Ask कि कैसे हो सकता है ठीक, and चीजें ठीक होती हैं. But of course, you have to come out. You have to speak up. You have to ask.
Exactly.
Ask anybody. When you ask them.
नहीं, 40 minutes में तो आपको बहुत कुछ मतलब आपकी हेल्प हो जाती है. जस्ट टेक 30 to 40 minutes जो 1-to-1 सेशन है, उसके अंदर एटलीस्ट आपकी काफी क्लैरिटी मिल जाती है आपको, जो आपके क्वेश्चंस हैं आपके, बिकॉज जो डेप्थ में क्वेश्चन.
Some people have problem sending the money, or how you do that? You have a way. I mean, if anybody wants, I can help them out. Like I have an account that I did that for a couple of people.
Yeah.
They pay to me, then I send it directly to you. So if there's any question about that, the remitting the money, don't worry about it. I can also do that for you guys. You remit to me and I'll remit to Gautam ji. No problem. I don't mind doing
Thank
that.
you. Yeah.
I did that for somebody. So she did it a couple of times, and I did it for her. So that's not a problem. If you want to do it, make the time, get some things cleared up. This is just the beginning of the year. तो पूरा साल पड़ा है कुछ, like this year is just beginning. So get the right mindset and all the questions that you want to answer. Why you keep them in your mind? Those things keep on getting bigger and bigger, right? If you don't answer some of the questions that you have yourself to be clarified, वो भी बड़ी हो जाती है चीजें. They become big in your head. ये ना मैं करूँ, मैं ये ना करूँ. If you're not clarified yourself, so get it clarified. Get some things points clarified. Get them done. I remember one time आपका मैं session देख रही थी. There was one lady. She had some problem, and you told her, आपके कमरे में कोई काली चीज पड़ी है. Dress something black.
ब्लैक लैपटॉप था. ब्लैक लैपटॉप.
नहीं पहले कुछ और था.
She had a black coat also.
Yes, coat था.
She had a
black
black coat, black laptop.
Yeah,
and
laptop
she had, yeah. And I asked her the other day, about a couple of days back, she had again called me. She said, I'm not still feeling well because there is still something black in your, in your room. Black, so there are hundreds of things which are black, but black which doesn't belong to you. That coat, कहीं और किसी का coat है. Laptop, बेटे का laptop था. So there's something black which doesn't, which is not in your day-to-day use. अगर आपका day-to-day use भी है, तो एक दिन के लिए सारी black चीजें आप cover कर दो या हटा दो. See the difference. वो आपको, अब वो 1-to-1 session लोगे तो I'll tell you कौन सी black चीज से आप attract भी कर रहे हो. So you need not do that as well. Like Ramaji is asking, Ramaji is saying, Gautamji, my cupboard mirror is cracked. Should I get rid of it? No, Ramaji. अभी आपका मैं बता, see, we have to find the problem first, then the solution. Solution से problem नहीं ढूंढ सकते. अगर वो क्रैक है तो सबके घर में कुछ ना कुछ क्रैक पड़ा होगा, ऐसा सब फेंकना नहीं है. No. We have to find the solution, problem first. Let's identify the problem and then we'll find कि problem क्यों हो रहा है. हाँ, आपका जो आपने बताया, जो आपका कबर्ड का मिरर है, अभी अगर if I can see rightly, आपके जो मिरर है ना, कबर्ड का जो मिरर, उसके जो नीचे वाला जो पार्ट है, जो भी अलमारी के जो नीचे होता है, the lower part which is almost touching the ground, उसमें कुछ गड़बड़ है आपके. What do you keep in that? You need to tell me that. Then I'll tell you more about it. वो आपको उसके लिए बताना पड़ेगा. आपको उसका शीशे का चक्कर नहीं है. शीशे के जो नीचे है उसका चक्कर कुछ है आपका. But we need to know the problem first. कि problem क्या है. पर जो भी प्रॉब्लम है उसका आंसर मैंने खैर आपको पहले बता दिए. अब वो बता दोगे तो I'm seeing your comments as well.
Yes.
चलेंगे कमेंट्स. अभी कमेंट्स आ जाए तो I'll see your comments as well. वो अगर आप ऑप्शन बता देना.
Just to get rid of.
Veena ji, you will be surprised to know there was a case. उनके घर में जो वो शाम को that lady had bought tomatoes. That tomatoes was giving the negative energy to her husband. Husband got so unwell, उनको hospitalize करना पड़ा. And negative energies कहाँ से आ रही थी? tomatoes से. तो जैसे ही कनेक्ट किया गौतम जी से उन्होंने, तो ही टोल्ड कि पहले वो फटाफट टमेटोज निकाल के घर से बाहर फेंको. एंड अभी उन्होंने बाई करे थे शाम को, तो बट शी डिड इट बिकॉज़ शी
रियली ओनली 4 tomatoes. And I told her there were 4 tomatoes. अब वो एग्जैक्ट देखो, वो टोमेटोज का कलर जो है, तो it was not black, sorry, it was not red, it was not orange, it was that जो प्रॉपर टोमेटो का जो कलर होता है,
color.
द रेडिश ऑरेंजिश कलर,
Right.
तो जो वो कलर होता था, लाइक उनका, मैंने बोला कि उनके रूम में देवर अबाउट no 4-5 things, that was some paper also,
That
some
was the
pen also.
second day. That was the
That was
second day.
second
The
day.
first day, तो when he came back from the hospital, again he was feeling little unwell. तो आपने कहा था रूम में भी टमेटो कलर्स के कुछ
Unwell,
सामान
he
पड़ा
had a
हुआ है.
paralytic, I'll tell you, he had a paralytic
Yeah.
attack.
Oh,
But God has been so kind. मतलब I really fold hands and I bow against the universe कि it has been so kind. मतलब थोड़ा सा फेथ से उन्होंने वो टमाटर पूछा ही नहीं
Facial
कि क्या
appeal.
करने हैं. Immediate they took out the tomatoes from the refrigerator and threw them out
And
of the
threw it.
house at night only. And she cleared out everything which was in orange. She had a blanket also in orange color, orange and blackish some color. She removed that
Sim-
blanket. She removed that pen. She found that paper. She removed everything which was orangish, reddish in color. And by the grace of God, वो जो paralytic attack था, he took some medicines and he was, I think, if
Very
I'm not mistaken, Ripple, he was not admitted to the hospital for long.
no. मतलब overnight ही उनको discharge कर दिया था. So
Overnight ही उनको
doctor said
discharge
कि
कर
you're
दिया.
very lucky. कि things are okay. You can go
wow,
home.
wow, wow.
मतलब
And
कैसे
in
वो,
within
you just
15
need to
days he
break that energy.
recovered.
We just need to break that in negative
Exactly.
energy.
That thing which yeah. अभी रमा जी कह रही हैं कि उसके नीचे जो जो पड़ा हुआ है those are clothes, कपड़े हैं.
हाँ, क्लोथ, अब वो क्लोथ से कहीं ना कहीं गड़बड़ है. ओके
कुछ
विनय, रमन जी, आप क्लोथ से कहीं ना कहीं गड़बड़ है. अगर आपका जो क्वेश्चन जवाब मेरे से पूछोगे उसका आंसर मैंने आपको पहले बता दी, तो जो भी आपके माइंड में क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन मैं नहीं पूछूंगा, क्वेश्चन आप ही पूछेंगे, बिकॉज आई कैन टेल यू 10 100 थिंग्स, बट दैट्स नॉट माय जॉब. तो आप जो भी आप मुझसे पूछोगे तो आई टेल यू दैट. ओके, तो वट एवर क्वेश्चन दैट यू हैव, यू कैन हैव अ 1-to-1 सेशन, बट आंसर आपका जो
One-to-one
नीचे जो
session
कपड़े
बोल
रखे
रहे
हुए हैं,
हैं.
जो उसके
I
नीचे,
mean
वहां
देखो
से
ना
नेगेटिव एनर्जी आप अट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं.
exactly these kind of questions अभी तो देखो ना Gautam ji is saying in a general way, but if you call him, do a session,
Hmm.
he can get deep into it and you can ask him other questions too relating to if you have any questions, any problems or anything, you know, health की बड़ी होती है सबको, health की, family की,
Yes.
environment की, जान पहचान लोगों की, relatives की, ये भी होता है ना. That's a big thing. Family, friends,
यस, रिलेटिव्स बहुत, हाँ, रिलेटिव्स
very
से
big
भी
thing.
प्रॉब्लम होती है.
How to deal with a lot of people, relatives. That's another big thing in everybody's life. People you have to deal with
यस,
this different way. Friends के साथ different होता है. You know, it's friends you can
And he's there to help everybody. Like he's
yeah
24 hours available, like what I
yeah.
suppose. Because that lady, I think so, she called around 11:30, 12. She didn't realize also कि time क्या हुआ है. बस उसको इतना trust है गौतम जी पे. She just called him कि ऐसे my husband been also hospitalized. तो मतलब this is called trust. और क्योंकि because the way he does the reading and all, तो वो and the people get healed also. So
And
this is just
also
the trust
uh,
between the
yes,
two.
Kamlesh ji is asking, is there anything else besides that? I think I suggest Kamlesh ji you please give a call and have a session.
Yes.
Okay, because the thing is this that Gautam ji has limited, he cannot answer everything. He answers a lot of questions,
see,
but
I need to, yeah, I need to understand a couple of more things as well.
exactly you cannot same topic with you cannot only certain amount of questions you can ask. Rest you have to call him and ask him directly. You know, so I think he answered quite a few of your questions. Let him. Why don't you give him a session? Give him a call. I'll help you to get through him.
Thank you, Kamlesh says, once I completely get better, I'll take an appointment, and I have full faith in you. Thank you, Kamlesh. But I'm telling you, thousands of people are getting benefited.
No, I mean,
Yeah,
if they're asking
and
the question, थोड़ा और भी deep कर सकते हैं ना. They can. She generally
हाँ,
has.
एग्जैक्ट
Yeah,
देखो एक,
that's what I'm saying.
अब वो बिट्स एंड पीसेस में वो बात समझ में नहीं आती, जो आप ना मेरे को समझ में आएगी ना आपको समझ में आएगी मेरी बात. जैसे
Yeah.
रमा जी कह रही है, रमा जी को मैंने आंसर दे दिया, पर वो उनकी प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन मैंने बता दिया कि प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन वहां पे है. अब उसको कैसे उसको यूज करना है, कैसे उसको इनकलकेट करना है, then she needs, जो ना एक बार बात करेंगे, then I'll able to guide you in a proper way, तरीके से बात हो
Yes.
जाएगा.
Let me ask you a general question. This is maybe it's coming on my head.
Yeah,
कि
yeah.
normally everybody has a house, everybody has things in the house. But tell me, what are some of the lot of main things, lot of people should get rid of, जो use नहीं करते या जो बेकार पड़ा है. What is the main lot of things that cause a lot of problems which we don't even know. So आपके करियर में आपने जो कितने सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर किए, what are your general things people do have and they that causes problems घर में? Common.
Ripple, would you like to answer that?
आई थिंक सो जो सबसे ज्यादा क्लोथ्स होते हैं आपके डम क्लोथ्स पड़े होते हैं आपके इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स आइटम होती हैं, ये बहुत नेगेटिव एनर्जीज खींचती हैं। तो आई थिंक सो यू शुड गेट रिड ऑफ देम। जितना क्लस्टर है सब हटा दो, और अपना टाइमली क्लीन किया करो, हर जगह सेजिंग किया करो। दैट विल ब्रिंग लॉट ऑफ पॉजिटिविटी
Very
इन द
simple,
हाउस।
Vinay. I'll put it in again more simpler words.
Mhm.
See, when you go to your come into your house, into your room, in all the rooms, just see things. जब आप देखते हैं ना चीजों को, जब आप I'm telling you very deep, just need to be very carefully. जब आप चीजों को देखते हैं, तो आपको अपने आप चीजें बता देंगी. I'm telling you, Kamlesh ji and couple of people are listening to me. Kamlesh ji is live. Krishna Kalra is live. Anu Sethi is live. Thank you, Anu, for joining in. So, वो जब आप चीज को देखते हैं ना, तो वो चीजें आपको बताते हैं कि ये चीज होनी चाहिए, नहीं होनी चाहिए. जहां पे भी आपके मन में डाउट आएगा, जहां पे भी आपको लगेगा ये चीज ठीक नहीं पड़ी हुई है, that thing is 100% bringing or reflecting some negative energy into your life.
Right. That's what I'm. There are things like that
Yeah.
which I
Okay, I'll tell you one more thing. Okay, I'll display one thing to you, which I usually don't, but we buy a mobile. मैं सिर्फ एक मोबाइल का एग्जांपल ले रहा हूँ. ओके, मैं आपके मोबाइल की बात नहीं कर रहा, कोई अपना मतलब वहम नहीं लेना इसको, मतलब इट्स नो सुपरस्टिशन, बट आई एम जस्ट गिविंग फॉर एग्जांपल. मोबाइल हाथ में है मेरे, तो बिकॉज वी हैव एवरीबडी वी हैव मोबाइल्स. अब मोबाइल कैसे पता लगे मोबाइल हमारे लिए अच्छा है या नहीं है? You know, I had a mobile, and so this is my new mobile, but this is a Samsung mobile. I bought this. So इससे पहले I had a OnePlus mobile. Okay, I'll tell you. But somehow I was not getting calls on that mobile.
oh
For 1 month, I didn't get even one call on that mobile.
did you get it checked?
It has
Did you get it checked from the dealer or something? जहाँ से ली आपने उसको चेक
मोबाइल मैंने चेक किया, मैंने कॉल किया, मैंने उसका रिचार्ज चेक किया, मैंने उसका बैटरी चेक किया, मैंने सिम कार्ड लेके सिम कार्ड डाला, मैंने उसका सिम कार्ड दूसरे फोन में डाला. आई डिड एवरीथिंग. बट उस फोन में कॉल्स कुछ भी नहीं, कॉल्स आती थी, कोई बिजनेस कॉल्स नहीं आना, कोई मनी ट्रांसफर नहीं आना. सो दैट गेम दैट सेट मी थिंकिंग कि यार ये कुछ तो है गड़बड़.
Get rid of it. Yes, that's it.
Then I thought
That's the only
I
way.
should change my mobile number also. But no, no, there's nothing wrong with the mobile number. There's 100% there's something wrong with the mobile. It is it is not attracting positive energies. If not negative, then it's not attracting positive energies. So क्या करना चाहिए? Just hold your mobile. Okay, just hold your mobile and feel. Just close your eyes and feel. How do you feel about it? अगर आपको, मैं बहुत सिंपल तरीके से बता रहा हूँ, आप बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं, कोई भी कर सकते हैं. जस्ट होल्ड योर मोबाइल, होल्ड एनीथिंग दैट इज इन योर रूम. इफ यू गेट्स अ गुड फील, इट मींस दैट इज गुड फॉर यू. इफ यू फील नो कुछ ठीक नहीं फील हो रहा, कल कहीं चुप
Get
रहा
rid
है,
of
कहीं
it.
ठीक नहीं है, तो डेफिनेटली कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ है उसके अंदर.
It's better to get rid of it only.
Oh,
इट्स बेटर. हाँ, बट वो वी नीड टू नो कि कितना गड़बड़ है.
आप बात कर रहे हो, फोन की बात कर रहे हो. When I went to Pakistan, I told you I was in the mall doing shopping, this that, खाना पीना भी खाया, वहाँ पे रह गया, फोटो खींच रही थी, वहाँ पे रह गया. Somehow or the other, I found it. When I came back, but somehow the phone, I don't know why, it was on my mind. Although actually I change my phone every day. I mean, I have an iPhone every year. I change 15, 14, 13. मेरा latest होता है. बच्चे भी, my kids are not even that advanced than I am. I said no, every year change. मेरी आदत है. My brother and I were the same. He does the same thing that I do. So I said no. And then I said, this is my mind. I have to change. I have to change. फिर वापस आके from Pakistan, and then I got a little time, and I went there and I changed to the new phone, and I feel different energy. I feel different with this phone.
That's true.
Yes.
The other phone.
तो वो डिफरेंट, वो ये डिफरेंट क्या है? ये डिफरेंट, ये जो वर्ड डिफरेंट है, यही तो एनर्जीज हैं. दिस इज द एनर्जीज व्हिच वी टैप.
Right.
When we wear something, you know, it is again, you wear something new, you feel good, but sometimes you have clothes which you don't want to, you know, part away with. You just want to keep them even if they're torn.
Yeah, but they're done.
They give you such a good feeling.
Yeah, they give
But
you.
that brings but that brings negativity, na? If you keep
that
the
also
dumb
brings-
clothes
exactly.
inside your
It's dumb clothes
and
nahi.
not wearing for
Dumb clothes
years
nahi.
and
Yes,
years.
हाँ, dumb clothes
So
नहीं.
that will
But
give
there
you
are on those
negativity.
dumb, नहीं, वो आप सही कह रहे हो. dumb clothes नहीं मैं बात कर रहा. मैं बात कर रहा हूँ कि कई ऐसे clothes होते हैं जो आपको बहुत अच्छी फील देते हैं.
Yes, they do.
You know, वो कपड़े आपके पास होने चाहिए. You will always know which pleases you.
A lot of
That's
people,
true.
I think all of us do that, but I periodically go through a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
that I wore 1 or 2 times, then I don't like it. Padao. Then what I do is I call the charity people to my house. They call me. They also call me, Mrs. Zamba, you have anything? We're going to come on your area. We're going to bring a truck. We're going to pick up the children clothes. This. मतलब बताते हैं, books भी ले जाते हैं, कपड़े भी ले जाते हैं, but don't bring children's cribs and car की सीटें. Those things we don't take. But the things I take. So what I do is when they give me 1 week time, I go through all my things. तो मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगता, बुक्स नया भी, I don't care. I just put it in the bags. 8-10 bags में रख देती हूँ उनका नाम लिख के. They come in the morning and they collect it. So I feel so much better, light. I feel so light that I cannot even tell you how good I feel. And I don't even miss anything that's gone.
And what do you do with your
Yes.
mobile phones, like you said, Veena ji? Job just now, when you change every year,
I go
what
to
do you
the
do with
agent.
your old phone?
No, I have this company they're connected. I'm connected with them. So their offices, I mean, their stores are all over the place. So I go
Okay.
to them. I go
To
to
get
them
them exchanged.
and I tell them, please take this back and give me the other one, new one. Whatever the difference is, monthly rate में, because I'm paying installments. तो कहता है आपका तो अभी why you want to do, अभी तो आपने लिया, कोई खास फर्क भी नहीं फोन में. मैं कहा no, I want new phone. I don't care what you're saying. जितना भी I have installments left over, you have to pay them. I don't mind, I'll pay that off. It's okay, I'll pay that off. I want to start a new one with this. So this is what I do every year. Normally one phone, the installment 2 साल की तो होती है, 2-2.5 साल की installment होती है. Every month you're paying installment. But 2.5 years you're eligible to get a new one. But I never complete the 2.5 years.
I was trying to put, yes, you do. Once we transfer your phone, if you give your phone to some other person, that may cause some kind of problem.
No, that they do right in front of you. आपकी जो सारी information होती है ना, आपके
हाँ,
सब.
नहीं, आपने उनको दे दिया, आपने कंपनी को दे दिया. That's what I'm telling you. जब अगर
No,
आपने
no.
वहां पे उनको दे दिया, that
I'm
is
sitting
fair.
right there. I'm sitting right there while they're transferring. I'm sitting right there. That's it. They don't do anything.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
That is, but once you give it outside your family to somebody else,
Mhm.
you need to kind of cleanse it and then give it. You need to, because it is carrying so much of your energy.
What I do is before you give, when they transfer, you have to clear up everything all the information you have on the other phone has to be zero, complete, out, finished. So
I tell everybody, you should not give your pen to anybody.
I don't like to give,
Yes.
Don't give your pen.
You
because
should
Don't
share.
give,
You should share it.
when you go out,
No, not sharing, Rimple. Don't give it to anybody. You can, doesn't matter. Sharing is just what to सबने किसी को signature करना है या कहीं पे थोड़ी देर के लिए use करना, doesn't matter. But don't give it to anybody.
what I have that habit जो आप कह रहे हो,
Yes, जो
instinctive.
फोन जो आप पेन यूज करते हो, जो चीजें आप बहुत यूज करते हैं, you should not give it to
Energy.
anybody like this.
You know what?
उसको आपकी कई पता नहीं, जैसे I tell all the manufacturers for that matter. तो जो आपके मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में जो चीजें आपकी कोई टूल्स यूज होते हैं, चाहे वो हैमर है, नेल्स है, सिजर्स है, इंच टेप्स है, एनीथिंग ऑफ दिस सॉर्ट, जो आपका प्रोफेशन है, तो डोंट गिव इट टू एनीबॉडी. You should just, kind of, the best thing is to, again, we have different things here, उसको कैसे dispose of करना चाहिए, but we cannot keep it all these things with ourselves, but that's a different chapter altogether. But yes, coming back to the main point, you don't have to give it to anybody. Just be very careful with that.
Because you know what I do is I with my wallet, everybody knows that I carry notebook, I carry pens, not 1 or 2, 3, 4 pen मेरे पास होते हैं. जब भी people have organizations, उनकी पार्टियां हो रही हैं, paper, pencil, they're not organized the way I am. They do things differently. Oh, pen दें, मैंने ये करना है, वो करना है. I said, you know what?
Buy the new ones. Then take new pens.
No, I stay
Not
back
your pen.
there.
No, again.
Borrow, I give it back. I said, please give it back because I don't
वो
want to give.
नहीं आप दे दो, उनको आप दे सकते हो पेन.
But I don't like to give my pen. I'm just saying
एक
that
आपके पास होना चाहिए.
I don't like to give my pens. That's one of the things I don't like to give. But sometimes लोग बातें पार्टी के बाद में लिखी जा रही हैं, they need a pen for the thing. Then what am I going to do?
Okay.
Keep it. But normally I'm very possessive about my pens. Also, I have so many pens. This is a very normal, common thing over here. Such a cheap thing.
All these
I'm attached to my
things,
pen.
that's what I want to tell through this program. I just want to tell everybody, sorry to, tell everybody.
आपका Wi-Fi
You can also, this is what, how do I know? Or how does, over the time,
Your voice
we
is
are using
crack हो
it
रही है आपकी
again
voice.
and again. Our intuition is increasing through tarot. It's coming through tarot. हाँ अभी ठीक हो जाएगा. I think there is some kind of little glitch in.
Intuition.
So है ना इसके everything we are doing it through tarot. तो सब कुछ अब उससे से आपको मिल जाएगा.
And we are starting a
Is it
tarot
okay
course
now?
also from
Yes.
Am I
February.
audible? Okay.
From February, we are
Yeah.
starting a tarot course.
And
So
like
anybody
Kamlesh
can
is
join
saying,
that also.
asking another question.
हाँ one-to-one courses I do individual.
She's asking another question. Do you think
Anybody else any questions?
Kamlesh ji ka ye hai कि do you think I will get better as before? Kamlesh ji, like I suggested to you,
Please take one to one.
my advice to you as a friend is to please do a one-on-one session. But आप
Yes.
आंसर करना चाहते हो तो कर दो. उन्होंने लिखा है कि do you think I will be get better as before? Like I think he just told you to put the table in a different area altogether, in a different room, which I think you did. You said
Yeah.
that will help in 2-3 days, right?
Things are within 3 days. After 3 days, she will become much better.
Oh, that's really good. Good to hear. And I'm sure once you start getting better, you'll get better as like before, right? Gautam ji, बाद में आस्ते आस्ते heal होते हैं, takes time to
Yeah,
heal.
it takes time.
After yes. See, Vinay, I like to tell two things.
Mhm.
You have to work in coordination with both these. You have to do your healing as well. When these things complement each other, they really they can make your life very very beautiful. I'm telling you.
Mhm.
You will know how to
आपका ना वो
We can't hear you.
we can't hear your
चीज
problem.
प्रॉब्लम खत्म नहीं हो सकता है. We how to okay, there's some
Gautam
better
ji, we
now.
can't hear you.
या थोड़ा वो आपका वो I think Wi-Fi की गड़बड़ हो रही है ना. You have to get that checked.
Hmm.
Wi-Fi. तो
Wi-Fi
डिम्पल से पूछती हूँ, डिम्पल how is the
बहुत ज्यादा क्रैक हो रही है वॉइस.
okay थोड़ा courses के
Okay,
बारे में
doesn't
बताओ.
matter. Just give me one.
Has
Yeah,
I
we
joined
are
from my
starting our
mobile.
course from 3rd February. हमारे जैसे बेसिक कोर्स होगा, एडवांस कोर्स होगा. Then we will be teaching Psyche Tarot course. So these we are starting from 3rd of Feb. And वो हम आपको inform कर देंगे. And you can just connect us to on Me Time Tarot School on YouTube as well as on Instagram. So सारे updates उस पे ही आएंगे हमारे. कि और courses के charges and everything will be mentioned.
and
तो
even the one-on-one session के बारे में भी लिखा होगा ना वहाँ पे.
yes, definitely. That one-on-one session is for like 40 minutes का भी है, and then we have for 1 hour also. And उसके बाकी hand holding हमेशा रहेगी आपके साथ. आपके जो भी कोई WhatsApp पे आप पूछना चाहो तो आप बाद में पूछ भी सकते हो,
आप
कॉल भी कर
price
सकते हो.
हो, they want to know if they're interested, they can listen, you can tell them the price if you want. Good morning.
Yeah, yes, there are three. I think I'm audible. Am I
One-on-one.
audible now?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, now you can hear you.
Okay, so we have three different courses. One is the basic, one is the advanced, and one is the professional level.
That's a
Whosoever
Psyche Tarot.
wants to, but I do one-to-one sessions also. Course I also do. Again, whosoever is interested in whatever, they can contact Ripple, and Ripple will explain everything to them. But I just want to tell everybody, you should do. अगर आप advanced course नहीं करना चाहते, you don't want to make a career out of it, you don't do a professional course, take the smaller course. Do reading for your own self.
At least
I'm telling you,
basic तो
time and
कर ही
again
लो.
I'm telling you, basic करो, and it's peanuts. It's peanuts. एक छोटा सा इवेंट आपका, एक चीज में आपका पैसा पूरा हो जाएगा. पैसा की बात नहीं है, आपकी लाइफ कितनी अच्छी हो जाएगी आप सोच भी नहीं सकते.
But yeah,
I can just tell you that.
one-on-one session is a different thing. That they ask personal questions.
One-on-one
and all,
session is
right?
a different thing. Yes,
No,
that is
there are
right,
two
because I do
things. You're
meditation.
confusing.
ऐसी बात करी one-on-one जैसे ये
गौतम जी वो कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं. वो actually
अच्छा,
one-on-one
one-on-one session
session.
is consultation and teaching. We are talking on two
Teaching.
verticals now.
Right.
One vertical is one-to-one, where I do one-to-one consultation, and the other vertical is one-to-one teaching, where I teach tarot.
Okay.
So there are two verticals.
One
तो
to
अगर
one.
आप सीखना चाहते हैं, अगर आप use करना चाहते हैं, if you want to learn tarot, this is a different vertical. If you want to have a session with me, just want to consult me for some problems, you can do that as well. But
Okay.
but make tarot, अपने tarot में just bring it to life. I'm telling you, it's beautiful. You will just start loving your own life.
I'm
It's very easy and very accurate. बहुत जल्दी आप learn करते हो.
Please, देखो, I'm saying it for your own benefit, because you want to get well, and then you know what, Gautam ji can only answer certain amount of questions here. You can rest. You can do one-on-one. That'll benefit you. Like you said, when you call him and talk, it's only you and him. That's it, nobody else. तो आप जितने
Yes. It
question
could be video calling, it could be a normal call
it will
also.
be
Both things.
it'll be very beneficial. Anybody else who wants to do that, I'm there to help. If you want to transmit anything, you can give the your funds, whatever the amount is, to me, and I'll pass it on to Gautamji. Okay?
Yeah, that will
That's your
be
own,
definitely.
your own way of doing it. That's a different thing. But if you need my help that way, yeah, you can send me your funds, and I will send it to him, and I'll ask him how much it is, and then you can do that and have a nice session with him, and you can ask any question, and I'm sure you will benefit. Everybody who does that will definitely benefit.
They benefit.
And I asked a couple of questions like the same way you did, and all the things that he said was very true. Really benefited me, and otherwise, believe it or not, I will still be suffering in that position that I quit. तो आपने शुरू में first
Yeah,
Hmm.
told me,
the first one.
Remember.
Yeah, the first
निखिल
one.
का ख्याल है, what he
Yeah.
said, वीना जी पंगा ही पंगा है इसमें. तो मैंने कहा मैंने ना हाँ कर दिया, कहते then try to just do the minimum, try to get out as soon as you can. And that's what I did, and I remember that, and after 1 month I said, you know what, this is not working out. Let me get out of it. So I resigned. If I didn't hear that from you, the old Veena will be still going on, चलो कोई बात नहीं, कर लो एक साल, कोई बात नहीं, like that. But you gave me that courage.
This is how we, हाँ, तो वो अब attract negative toxic, मतलब that toxic, people, we invite them to our lives and वो और कुछ नहीं करेंगे, they just हमारे mind को सिर्फ upset ही करना उन लोगों ने. So it's better to, part away from those
And
kind of
then
people.
I put all the energy on my Dil Diyan Galla, and I had the same program which I was supposed to do with them, for them. I did
Yeah,
For
the
them.
Dil Diyan Galla program on May 9th.
excellent,
We have
excellent.
60 people. We have 60 people. So from now on, every 3 months, I'm thinking I will do कुछ program. हमारा group जो हमारा team बनी हुई है, उसमें we are planning to do something next. So this Friday we're having a meeting, so we'll plan that.
Excellent.
But आपका तो है, like I said, I'll encourage everybody to please. देखो यहाँ पे आते हैं, he tells you a lot, but one-on-one, and even Rimple, आप भी इनके भी जो है ना crystals, they're very, very beneficial. See, I went to
They're
India,
very
I got
beneficial.
quite a few, and I gave some to my friends over here. So really, they are really benefiting, and they are really very good. And she was so nice, and like I said, she gave me all this chakra. हाँ जी, उषा जी, welcome. अगर आपने program शुरू से नहीं देखा, please, I will suggest that you listen to it right from the beginning, because it's very beneficial to all of you. And get back to me if you need a session, and I'll definitely help you out there too. She's saying, Kalmesh ji, Gautam ji, I have all trust in you and watch so religiously. We'll be in touch soon. That's what she's saying.
Thank you,
That's very
Kaleji.
nice.
So before you going, you have any words to say to everyone, or कुछ फिर bye bye करना चाहते हो? Come back again, और आपके program होते हैं Instagram and on YouTube में होते हैं ना आपके twice a week, I think it is live.
हाँ, live I do on Fridays, so you can attend. You can contact me, or you can attend those programs. You see what I do. You can ask me questions on that. Just test me there. You should test your healer also. Why not? हम डॉक्टर के पास पूछ के ही हम जाते हैं उसके पास, ये अच्छा डॉक्टर है कि नहीं है. तो you just test the healer also. आप जाओ, आप मेरे प्रोग्राम पे आओ, आप इंस्टाग्राम पे लाइव है. I'm not seeing you and it is free of cost, costing you
It's free of
nothing at all. आप एक बार करोगे, just ask me questions. If you feel benefited, then jump into me. Agar if you feel, then you can, of course, the exit is always open, but yes, your life will be benefited, I'm telling you. Friday night को आता है Me Time Tarot School पे. I would request everybody, आप Me Time Tarot School पे आप YouTube पे भी ज्वाइन करो, और आप इंस्टा पे भी कर सकते हैं, फेसबुक पे भी कर सकते हैं.
हमारा conflict
तो
है, interest same day होता है हमारा. That's the only thing.
Same
But
day.
half आप देख
मैंने
लो.
फ्राइडे को रखा क्योंकि फ्राइडे एक छुट्टी वाला दिन होता है. यूजुअली सब लोग थोड़ा सा फ्राइडे वीकेंड, सैटरडे संडे हो जाता है. फिर वेडनेसडे को मेरा अपना प्रैक्टिस प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं. थर्सडे को
Actually, it's been 3 years
फ्राइडे
also. It's been 3
It's
years
been-
we are doing on Friday. It's been almost 3 years. We are doing on Friday only.
अच्छा, रमा जी कह रही है, वीना जी, I got the bracelet from you, loved it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And then Krishna ji saying Gautam ji is also a doctor. Yes, he is.
Yeah, thank you.
He is a doctor.
Krishna ji is again a pious soul, a very wonderful person. Krishna ji is again a gem of a person.
Yeah,
Very
yeah,
nice.
she's very nice.
And she's again getting benefited out of it. अगर आप उनसे स्टोरी सुनोगे, again I can't talk much about people, but अगर आप उनसे टेस्टिमोनी लेते हैं या उनसे कुछ पूछते हैं, she will tell you in detail how her life has become so much easier actually. life becomes much more easier
She
actually.
came to my program one
She
time.
came on our Insta live also, and उन्होंने अपना testimonial भी दिया था
हाँ, she came on
regarding it.
Instagram
हमारे
live
program में
also.
Yes.
हमारे program में भी आई थी. I'll get in touch with you again. I'm sorry I have not been able to do it recently, but I will. Thank you, and thank you so much. I haven't.
So guys, yeah, Me Time Tarot School को join करो. I'll just request everybody join Me Time Tarot School. Make your life a beautiful life. It is the year of
Transform your
transformation.
life.
अपने आप को
Transform
transform
your
करने का
life.
सोचो. Make it a beautiful life. That's what I want to tell everybody.
This life and this year,
Same way. Well, I say same.
2025 should be the best year. This is good for everybody, right? That's what you said.
Yeah, absolutely,
Yes.
absolutely,
To advance to anything, to learn anything, to achieve anything, right? This year is the best.
absolutely. Yes.
This is a great year.
This is the year of transformation. So just go through it.
I will, Krishna ji, I will call you. So anyway, thank you so much for coming and joining.
Learn tarot, and you will be transformed.
Yeah.
Call you. मैं थोड़ी ट्रेनिंग करूंगी, मैं भी कराऊंगी आपसे. But
आपको भी
We are
करना
there to
पड़ेगा,
help you
definitely.
out. So come to us. We are there to help you out.
I will call. And both of you.
Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
So much for joining today, and I really
Thank
appreciate.
you, Veena ji. Thank you, Ripple.
Thank you, Veena ji.
Hope you had your
Thank you.
dinner.
And
I
thank
hope you had
you,
your dinner.
whosoever is attending live. Thank you so much, guys.
I have to say one thing.
Let's see.
But,
Let's make. हाँ जी.
गौतम जी, मैंने आपकी अनु जी का मैंने देखा था, उनका she's such a beautiful woman, and she's such beautiful. I mean, she makes so many beautiful cakes and everything. I was amazed. What a good selection she has. I wish
She's
I
a
was,
professional. Yeah. She makes.
I was in India. I would have ordered
definitely.
everything.
She's a high-class professional. She is.
I would have ordered everything from her. My God.
If you were in India, of course.
I was in India. I would have ordered everything from her. वहाँ पे transportation नहीं आ सकती ना. But she's a very
वहाँ
beautiful,
से नहीं आ सकते.
very beautiful lady. Just say hello to her if she's listening. Hello, Anuji.
Yeah.
Just want to say you're a very beautiful lady. Very nice. I saw your pictures on your birthday. You went out somewhere or something. Yes?
Yeah.
That's what I saw.
Thank you for that.
You're welcome. So once again, thank you, and we'll do another session soon. Again, करेंगे. And
Looking forward to it. Yes, looking forward to it. So thank you guys. Thank you so much. Whosoever wants to connect with us, you please connect with Rimple and we'll fix up an appointment and we'll make things better for us.
yeah,
And if they want to learn tarot, so 3rd Feb से हम start कर रहे हैं, so they can come to us.
Yes.
that's also
We'll
there.
be
Yeah,
teaching them.
option there too. So bye everybody. Have a lovely.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Good
Thank
night.
you guys.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Bye, Veena ji. Good night.
Bye everybody. Good night, or good evening, or good afternoon, or good morning.
Good
Some-
morning.
Yeah.
Good night.
We all this part of this world. Everywhere somebody's there.
That's true.
Universe that has connected us. Okay, ji. Bye.